My name is Fred Jackson. I'm from Canada. About a year ago, my hip started getting really bad. And I went to the hospital in Canada and they told me 4 years waiting to get hip replacement. And I thought, I can't make it. So I started checking online and found this hospital online and very impressive. So I emailed somebody here and emailed me back and set up an appointment. So I came to see what they could do about my hip, and it was fixed before I knew it. It was almost instantly. For the last 5 years, can't sleep, can't do anything, walking hurts, everything hurts.
Mr. Vejthani, he is 71 years old, but he really need to more active. He want to move, he want to do all activity and want to do the sport. He come to me with a very severe pain and limitation of the movement of the right hip. He try to do the physical therapy, swimming, exercise by himself, use medication and lose body weight. But the progression of the arthritis cannot stop. That's cause he more pain and limit of the daily activity. Very important activity is to take the sock and take the pen. It's very difficult. Every morning, if you wake up and you cannot happy, you cannot smile, you cannot take the pen easy, you difficult to do like this. It means your quality life is gone. Like Mr. Frederick, he come here, he's sitting beside me and told me, Dr. Prem, I have the hip pain and I want to make the active lifestyle come back. Can you do this? I told him, yes, I can make you come back to active again. And pain it will gone suddenly. I recommend him to do the surgery by the minimally invasive surgery, computer assisted surgery, and total hip replacement. Minimally invasive surgery can save the muscle and make it come back good power and tone and movement, less pain.
Within 6 months, so much pain, I couldn't sleep, couldn't do anything. So then that's when I looked up this hospital online and seen it's an amazing building, but the staff are out of this world. I wanted to come and see first, and I was prepared to do it, but I didn't know what I was facing. I wanted to see here first. Once I seen the hospital and I met Dr. Prim, done deal. I was ready to go right now. So once I researched and seen how good this place was, it was kind of a no-brainer. Just come over and see first. And if you're happy and comfortable, then go for it. And that's what I did. I got here and like I said, the staff and Dr. Prim make you feel so relaxed. It's just like you're coming to a home that you've known for years. It's an amazing feeling. Amazing. Just meeting Dr. Prim, his general demeanor, his aura, everything about him is so comforting, relaxing. Once you meet him, if you can't figure it out, there's something wrong, because he's a very gentle, kind man.
Computer assisted surgery can make me do the surgery to put the prosthesis back to the nearly anatomical position and can reduce risk of the misposition. That's right, it can reduce risk of the complication after the surgery. And furthermore, we use the short stem. The short stem it can save the bone for the future. And we use the ceramic big head, it reduces risk of the dislocation. With the cementless technique, that's called of the bone, it can clot, fill with the prosthesis that can make this hip it come back nearly native hip. After the surgery, he can do our activity. At first, about 8 to 10 hours when he wake up. He can move, especially previously he told me he cannot lie on the right, cannot lie on the left during sleep because it limitation and pain. But 8 hours when the numbness is gone, I told him you can sleep and lie on the right and on the left. He really happy. He said, I can do really? That's right, you can do. And after that, he can come back to start to move, to walk, to do the exercise, physical therapy. That's right, he really happy. You can see his face from the feel really unhappiness until after the surgery, everything is improved because you can move, you can do all activities. Really important. If you can do all activity, that's right. First one, you can move, you can exercise, When you can do that you want to do, it means you will got the happiness. When you got the happiness, everything it will come and got the benefit to better quality of life.
It's just steady progress. Every day is better, better, better every day. So it won't be long and I'll be running. Oh, above and beyond my expectations. If I was in Canada, I would have to wait for everything. Like just to come in and get an x-ray would be a 4-hour wait. Look at, I was in here 5 minutes and it was done. It's amazing. Highly recommend to anybody to come here. But Dr. Prim is above and beyond. Oh, incredible man.